Alrighty, so in this video we're going to look at how you might access information stored in a list within another list in Python. And just to give you an example of a situation that might occur, say I have a list here called price list, and inside it, instead of just having regular items, I'm actually going to have lists. So my first list might have, my first list item, sorry, might have a hat which costs $10, and you can see then that's actually a list within that list. My second item might be pants, cost a whopping $20, and I might have a third item in here, shirt, which costs 15. Okay, so you can see I actually have three lists there inside my master list. So if I want to actually access that though, I can still do that with a regular for loop. So I'll go for I, and this time I have to use range, and it's going to go from 0, because 0 is obviously the first object in our list, has an index of 0, all the way up to, but not including, the length of price list. Okay, so that's our loop that will go through our high price list, and each time it loops through it's going to be dealing with another item in that list. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out, here we are in brackets, the first thing I'm going to print out is within the price list array, I want the ith item, so the first time it goes through it is going to be item 0, which is that thing there, and I'm going to print out item 0 within that list. So you can see that is 0 is going to be hat. The second time this goes through, I will be set to 1, so it'll jump to the second item in the list, and it will print out pants. So if I run that, there it goes, hats, pants, shirt. So that has picked out the 0th or first item in each of those little sublists. And you can see that's gone through. 0 is the first one, 1 is the second, 2 is the third item. And you could print multiple things in here, so I could, within the print, I could then go price list, and again but this time I could print item 1 from each sublist, which will be the price. And so again, if I run that, you can see now our price is coming out. What else would you want to know? Oh, also if you wanted to grab, say, the total cost, I could set my total cost to 0, but then every time this loops through we could say, well, cost is now equal to whatever cost used to be plus the price of the item that we're printing out. So there's the price there. So that will add on the price of each item. So it will start, the cost will start at 0, second time it goes through it's going to add on 10, so cost will now go to 10, next time it loops through it'll go to add 20, so it'll go to 30 the total, and last time it'll add another $15, so we should end up with a total cost of 45. So we'll just print that at the end and double check that works. There we go. So you can see we're looping through, displaying our sublist items each time we loop through, and we've also managed to take a number out of each of those and add it to an equation, and then print the total cost out at the end.